Hi there, it's Ashley from Confident Coin, and today I am going to give you a walkthrough of our new all-in-one weekly budget spreadsheet. So this file is available currently only in Google Sheets, and it comes in pink and probably blue and green. And when you open up the file, this is what you will see. So the first thing in this file is currency. You can enter whichever currency symbol you like. And then there is some spaces here to enter in some different bill subcategories, which will transfer into your budgets. And next up is sinking funds. So there is a sinking funds spreadsheet included in this file, which we'll come back to. All of the setup is here. And then there is a debt payoff calculator, which uses the debt snowball method. So the setup for that is here as well. So once you've entered all of this data, which I've entered a bit already, you can move on over to the budget file. So it's got a monthly summary at the top here. And then if you scroll down, it has 5 weekly paycheck budgets. So they scroll all the way down, they look identical to each other, and we'll just go back up to the first one here. And so, excuse me, they work off of dates. So you're gonna wanna enter the dates for your budget, when they start and when they end, and then enter your income. There is also a zero-based budget calculator, so you'll take your estimated income minus your estimated expenses with the goal of this being 0, and then likewise with your actual income and expenses. Another feature of this spreadsheet is the available column, so you can see how much you've estimated for your bills and how much you've actually spent and what's available. And then if you want, optionally, you can tick the box to roll it over to next month or next week. So if we look at gas, here there is $25 available. In addition, there is the inclusion of investments as well as a new category in our files. So once you have set up all of your budget, there is an expense tracker and a subscription tracker. So it works very simply where you use the drop-down menu to select your category, such as groceries. You can enter the amount, you must enter the amount and the date, and as well a place for you to enter any notes if necessary. The other thing with this file is that the budget is duplicatable. So you can duplicate the budget. So you'd go right click and then duplicate. And so this will work as well with your, everything else is currently set up. So here under expense tracker, you would just carry on to the next month, presumably February, based on the demo file here, and it would continue to work in your spreadsheet. So the other thing that's included in this file is a subscription tracker. You enter the service name, the amount, the date that you pay the bill, or the date that you want it included on your budget, and you tick paid when it's paid, and it will assign itself to the appropriate budget week. As I said before, this file includes debt payment and sinking funds as well. And so all of the information that you entered into the debt payment area on the setup tab will transfer over here, and then you can tick off the payments as you pay your debts down. This information does not transfer to the budget file, so you do need to enter the debt payments separately. The sinking funds spreadsheet, however, is connected to the budget. So I just wanted to scroll out a little bit here so you can see a bit better. So it includes the 35 sinking funds, a bit of summary of your data over here, the bank account, so you know how much sinking fund money should be in your savings account, so you can reconcile that information. And then the other thing about this file is that there's a usage log over here. So we'll zoom back in and look at it up close. So the budget, when you enter money into your sinking fund, so let's say here you've estimated $30 for Christmas, you actually contribute $30 to your Christmas sinking fund in this week. That $30 will be added to your Christmas. As you can see, the current balance here is $30. It will be added here. Now let's say you take out $60 from your Christmas sinking fund to buy a gift. It'll withdraw it from the actual fund. So it's got a usage log so you can track when you're withdrawing money from your sinking funds, as opposed to having it in your budget and trying to make sense of what's going where. The last tab included in this weekly budget is a bill calendar. So you can enter in your bill names, the date they are due, and the amount, and they will transfer over to your bill or calendar here. And in addition, if you want to add any additional notes for your calendar, you can enter them here and the date you'd like to show up on the calendar, and they will be present there as well. This bill tracker is not duplicatable. I know that's not a word, but if you want to reuse it for next month, you would need to just change the date, which is an easy thing to do. You can double click and switch it to the next month or whichever month you need, and the calendar will update for you. And then just over here, you would quickly change these to the following month. And that's how that works. Again, this file is available only in Google Sheets, and if you'd like to purchase it or take a look at it, the link is in the video description. Thanks for watching.